So today we're doing a House Special Chow Mein. And there are variations to this, obviously. Some places use a different sauce, other places will use a different kind of noodle. Today we're just doing the one that I grew up making in the takeaway I grew up in. I'm Chin, this is my mum Chew, and if you want to learn this kind of cooking, you better be following, hit that notification button and comment to help us out. So we're just going to do a quick rundown for you of what goes into this dish. We've got some noodles here. There are
Obviously.
Yeah, because it's a noodle chow mein. Chow mein literally means what ma?
Chow mein, fried noodle.
Yeah. So we have our noodles. If you want to know what the brand most takeaways are using, comment below and we'll let you know. We've got
sliced onions.
Yeah, and this is for the chow mein base. And also we've got some bean sprouts here. We've got enough for the main mix and for the chow mein base. With some spring onions again for the chow mein base. Most places aren't going to be adding spring onions to their noodles, but we just like it and it's going to look nice for the photos.
Yes.
So that's why we're adding them today. Also for the noodles, you're going to want light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Sorry, dark soy sauce and light soy sauce.
Yeah, you can tell, you can comment, say, oh, you got it wrong.
And a lot of time people go, why is my soy at home not as thick as yours, especially the dark one? You need to shake the bottle every time you go to use it. Otherwise, what happens is the heavy sediment sits at the bottom and at the top, you get just the liquid and you'll start pouring it out, and then the further you get down, the thicker and thicker it goes. So the reason ours looks different from your one was one that we're using a real Chinese takeaway brand. If you want to know the one that we're using here today, again, comment below. But a lot of you are using that one because you know what it is and you're saying it's not as thick. It's because you need to shake your bottle. Light soy is always just light anyway.
Light colour.
Then we're going to move on to the main. Here we've got obviously bean sprouts for it. We've got an egg to go on the top. That isn't actually in the cookbook. A lot of places add the egg and we like the egg, so we're just putting it on top because we're hungry.
Yes.
We're going to be using a little bit of light for this. Veg oil. Chinese rice wine, not rice wine vinegar. Two different things. Square cut onions, or we call these chopped onions and we call those sliced onions. Obviously salt and MSG, which is used in both. Should have mentioned it for both earlier, but we're using poached chicken today because most takeaways are either using pre-steamed chicken or poached chicken. Been using velveting a lot recently, but very rarely a takeaway is doing that, so we're going to do this the proper way. Remember, Chinese takeaway food is fast food. Doesn't mean it tastes bad. It's just designed to be quick and easy to make. Also, the videos for preps for the noodles and this will be linked below. Got some chassel here. Again, video for this will be linked up here somewhere and in the description below. We made this last time in a rice cooker. Deveined, de-shelled king prawns. You don't want the poop sack in the back, so you just cut that out. We've got mushrooms, which I hate.
Mushroom.
But you love them, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah. So we got the mushrooms there today. And potato starch slurry, which is quite literally just water and potato starch mixed together. And we use that as a thickener. You can use cornstarch, it's not as good. We always use potato starch now in the industry. But yeah, you can use cornstarch. Did I mention the water? We need water.
Yes, to make the sauce.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Right, so we got our wok on full heat. I'm going to put some veg oil into this. We do have a prep video for these already, but we're going to be remaking that. But the original prep video will be below. Like your questions on why your noodles aren't doing certain things, so we can answer them in the new video, because we did leave some stuff out. Not on purpose, there's just a lot to cover. So when your wok starts getting hot, we're going to add our onions. Don't add your Tupperware. Pinch of salt.
That's quite a messy muffin.
Yeah, just a pinch. And you want to add that to the ingredients, not the base of the bowl. You add it to the base of the bowl and it goes crystalline and weird.
And the noodles.
Thank you. Again, a pinch of
Salt.
and a pinch of
MSG.
I'm going to let that sit. And the trick to getting that char flavour on Chinese takeaway stuff at home is by letting it sit. Don't continuously work it. You can see the char in there. That's good, lovely wok hei right there.
Yeah, wok hei.
Wok hei.
Wok hei.
Wok hei. Now we're going to hit this with some
Light soy.
Yeah.
And dark soy.
Yeah. Now you want to cook this until the liquid from the soy has evaporated, and the dark soy will also caramelize and give you that extra wok hei flavour. Breath of the wok, as some people call it. Bean sprouts last.
Yes.
Always last, because this way they stay nice and vibrant and crispy.
I know some put them in straight away.
Yeah, they
but
do.
We don't.
Know. It's
Yeah.
up to you, whatever you like. And then our spring onions. Should have said our offer comes with a free bag of MSG as well, so go check that out. You just want to make sure those spring onions and bean sprouts are hot all the way through, and that's done.
Yep.
So just going to plate this out and set that to the side. So to the second part.
Oil on the wok. Turn on the heat.
Yeah, turn it on.
Would
Thank
be
you.
good.
Yeah, that would be good, wouldn't it?
Let your wok heat up
Yeah.
before you put anything in.
Always let the wok get as hot as you can. I'm going to add chicken and our onions, salt.
MSG.
I want to brown that MSG off. You know when it's brown because it will smell exactly like the takeaway, and that smell is that wok flavour everyone always talks about. Then we're going to throw in some mushrooms. You want to get some colour on those mushrooms, don't you, Mum?
Yeah, that's right.
Mum told me I can't put the prawns in too early because she doesn't want them overcooked.
Yeah.
So normally I'd put them in now if we were in a takeaway, but I'm going to put them in slightly later on. So I'm going to add some water.
Yep.
That helps deglaze the bottom a bit. I'm going to add a touch of salt again, a touch of MSG, a small amount of light soy. And we're just going to cook this until those mushrooms have cooked off.
And you've got the prawns.
The mushrooms will sweat a lot. So when you thicken this up, you're going to need more starch than you anticipate. It's coming near the end now, so I'm going to throw in some Chinese rice wine. Let that cook off for a couple of seconds, 10-20.
Bean sprout.
I'm just going to thicken this up with potato starch slurry.
A bit at a time, okay?
Yeah, because you can add.
And you kind of take away.
Brilliant. Unless you're in a takeaway, then you can take your food away.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it is a good one, isn't it? And we're just going to place this right next to the noodles. We're going to set that aside. Right, so now we're going to cook off our char siu. Normally takeaways are deep frying it.
Yes.
I'm
We
gonna
haven't
use-
got the deep fry on.
No.
So at home you probably not have one.
Yeah.
But if you have one, it's brilliant.
You obviously can cook off the char siu in the sauce if you want, if you don't want to deep fry it. But I quite like the deep fried version. It tastes nice, it makes it crispy.
Yes.
It's completely up to you though. So we're just going to place this on the top. In a takeaway, you'd normally only get 3 pieces, but because we're cooking this for ourselves, we'll put a lot more on. That's good, right?
Yeah.
Now it's time to do the egg. Loads of oil.
Yes, you do.
We're going to make a crispy one. This time, I remembered to turn it on. So we don't want this mega hot.
You want it hot enough to get crispy.
Yeah, if you don't like crispy eggs, low heat and do it slowly. Fried eggs are always better when you've got lots of oil. Put a bit of salt on it.
Yes.
A little bit
And
of...
MSG flavouring. Oh, look at chocolate egg.
Yeah, it's just...
Look at that. Side is browning now.
In East and Southeast Asia, this is how we have our eggs, always crispy. I'm just going to place this on top.
Look at that.
I'm going to garnish the egg with a little bit of dark soy. Do you want to get the chili, Ma?
Yes.
You will get the chili. So here we go, House Special Chow Mein.
Yes, House Special Chow Mein, because as we're eating it, we're going to put some chili on it, yeah?
Yeah, I'm going to try some char siu first.
Try the prawns first.
Get some of that sauce, get some of those noodles. I don't want any mushrooms because they're the devil fruit.
Mushroom. It's really good. And the sauce and the mix with the noodle.
This was one of the most popular things in the takeaway I grew up in.
The pork is too good.
Yeah, we froze it from last time. I just want chili. In the book, I do use velveted beef as well. Some places won't add it, so I didn't add it today.
Who's having the yolk white?
Okay.
I'm having the yolk white.
You don't want the yolk? You have the yolk, Ma.
That's oatmeal really good. Wow.
If you want us to show you the fried rice version of this, comment below and we'll definitely get that done for you.
That's another popular one, isn't it?
Yeah, remember this is just one way of doing this. There are many different ways, but give this way a go, you might like it. On that note, we are very, very close to shipping out the frozen ready meals. We may have already started by the time this video goes up. If we haven't, it's only a couple of days, literally only a couple of days. We're just waiting for our contract with the couriers to come back to make sure that our testing has been signed off, etc. So this is really, really exciting.
Exciting.
Yeah, if you want to pre-order the meals while you can, the link will be below. Our brand is called Thai's, by the way. It stands for auntie, because that's the takeaway I grew up on was my auntie's, wasn't it?
All the angry.
Yeah, it's like homage to her, really. Anything you got to add to this, Ma?
Oh, I'm still carry on eating.
Yeah, I know
It's
you are.
really nice. Right, thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the like buttons. And if you have done it and you are brilliant, comments, subscribe. Have I repeated myself again?
No, I think you've done well there, Ma.
Okay.
Brilliant. So we will see you next time.
Yes, definitely. Watch us again, yeah?
And always comment what you want to see because it helps us out loads. So yeah.
So that we can produce more lovely thing for you to
Try.
follow.
Yeah.
To try.
Also, sorry about the sound quality. We've lost our mics today, so it's just going straight through the camera. But until next time, what Ma?
Happy cooking, happy eating!
Bye.
It's very good. I forgot how good it is.